Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I am SHYAMASREE. So today I'm doing this subtle eye makeup which you can do in the daytime and anytime you feel like. So let's get started. So first I will be applying lip balm and I've got pimples as you can see. But can't help. So I am first using a base concealer. By this I mean actually the concealer which is close to my skin tone, and then I am using a very low coverage foundation, MAC Face and Body Foundation, and with the help of buffing brush I am applying my foundation. Now here I will be using the concealer which is lighter than my own skin tone and will be highlighting under my eyes and the usual areas. Now I'm taking Lakme Rose Powder and I'm setting the under eye. After doing my brows off camera, I have set everything and then I am using the color from the palette, Morphe palette, and applying it on the crease, and then I'm taking a darker brown and will be applying it on the corners of my eyes. And you can use any other palette. There are a lot of palettes on Nykaa, just check it on Nykaa.com. And now I'm taking another dark color and I'm just putting it on the lash line and also on the corners a little bit, and I'm again buffing it out with a blending brush. Here I'm taking the same color and again darkening my outer corner and again blending. The more you blend, the more beautiful your eyeshadow is. And now I'm taking these two colors and I will be doing my lower lash line. And today I'll not be wearing any kind of eyeliner, so I'm taking this dark shade and with the help of angled brush I'm trying to create a soft wing. Now I'm setting my whole face with the rose powder, and here I'm contouring my usual areas, very light-handed. And now I'm applying the blush. All the products will be mentioned in the description box, please do check it. And I'm using the highlighter from FARESAT palette and applying on the usual areas. And lastly setting my face with the makeup setting spray. And now I'll curl my lashes and will apply mascara, but I will not say the name of this mascara because I'm soon going to give a review on that mascara, so keep on watching and keep waiting. I'm very sorry, I thought I was recording the part where I was applying the white pencil from NYX and my lipstick, but yeah, I forgot to press the record button. So this is my entire look. I will mention the name of the lipstick in my description box, so do check it. And I hope you have liked the video. If you do like it, please give a big thumbs up. I'll see you next Tuesday with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh, make others laugh. Bye and take care, and please give a like, comment please.